Grab some burrito-sized flour tortillas. You're just gonna cut those in half and roll them to a cone shape. Secure with a toothpick. Now I'm gonna pop these on top of my upside-down muffin tin. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna use some melted butter to brush right on top of these guys. You can use some seasoning if you like. Just depends on how you like to do it. But I'm just gonna get this done real quick, and then we're gonna pop these into the oven. Alrighty, these are just going into my oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. Oh, well, those are in the oven. I'm just coming in with my large mixing bowl. I'm gonna add in some pulled chicken, but of course you can pull your own. Now I've got some whole kernel corn. Love it. Putting in some rotel. Delicious, and you could use the fire roasted, you could use the Southwest corn. You can just adapt this however you like. We've got 1 green bell pepper, just diced. Delicious. All right, I've just got a little bit of whipped cream cheese here. This is the 8-ounce, so it's the same size as a block if you want to use a block. This is just kind of comes pre-soft instead of letting it sit on your counter. All right, and I've got a little less than half of this container of sour cream, which I've just had in my fridge for a little bit, so I thought that would be perfect to add in here and just kind of get everything all tasty. I'm using some ranch seasoning. I am just gonna kind of do this to my eye. We've got a decent amount here, so you could use sort of 1 to 2 packets or just shake out what you think feels right. And I'm just gonna put in about a cup of Fiesta blend cheese here. Perfect. All right, y'all, let's get this all mixed together and combined. This is such a fun, easy thing to serve for your next party. I like to do these actually for Easter, but any sort of like barbecue, get together, family gathering. These are really fun. I think y'all are really gonna like them. And the fun thing is with this that I'm making in the bowl here, you can totally customize this. You could do a ground beef, you could do a taco seasoning, you can totally change up your little fill in here. And I think, you know, that's the fun part of cooking is you get to choose what you like, the way you want to customize things. I'm just giving you my idea, the way I like to do it. And please let me know the way you would do it, because I would like to, you know, expand my horizons as well. Alrighty, y'all. Look at our cones. They came out so great. So this is the thing, you grab a cone here. I've got my scooper ready to scoop this delicious fill-in that we've made. Look at that. You can kind of press it down, shape it in there. Ooh, that looks delicious. Just got one more thing to add here. I've got a little bit of chopped cilantro. Let me see if I can dip around my cone. And of course, if you use a longer toothpick, it's gonna be easier to get your toothpicks out. I'm gonna leave these in, but people will know to eat around them. Alrighty, I am just gonna fill these bad boys up, but you could put a chili in here, like I said, a ground beef, make it super, super taco night. There's just so many possibilities with these delicious little snacks, and I think you guys are really gonna love them and love sharing them with your family. Of course, if you don't like cilantro, leave it off. Look at that, y'all. All right, I've got a very special guest who's gonna give this a taste. Alrighty, Andrew.
Oh my gosh, this
you guys
looks
tell me what
delicious.
you think.
Okay.
Like mini little cornucopias. Or they kind of look like carrots for Easter.
That's good. Like a Southwest chicken salad, ice cream cone.
Yes.
You gotta try it.
Y'all gotta try it.